Things are going well, aren't they? Yes. I think they must be.
I can't fight with this ladder, my lord.
What? Where are the macemen?
Archers!
Instructions!
Orders!
Bash 'em, lads!
Constructing siege
Arrows!
equipment.
How do we get there?
Finding targets!
Winding her up.
I hate water. What do you need? Yeah.
نتحرك بالتأكيد.
My walls are strong. My men are in good heart. Bring on your slings and arrows.
Ladders ready!
Can't target him, sir!
They won't know what hit them.
الحرية.
Archers, ready! Let it burn!
What? All that way? What a lousy job.
الحرية. أمرنا.
Frightened?
The Imperial plan looks tired. Time for a new stratagem.
Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege.
My will does not. You will not distract me so easily.
The people are frightened of you, my lord.
No, this does not fit in with my plans. My army is ready. Soon, another castle will fall to us. Today we fight. Today, we will win.
My instructions have been given. My plans have been made. So, my glorious army triumphs again.
Fine, you can bring down a few buildings. How about a fair fight?
The enemy's ram is destroying our gatehouse.
The royal standard is in grave peril. You must fly to my aid. Courage, my lord, courage. Another siege draws close, my friend. My men are in great heart. My men are eager for battle, and so am I. Prepare to fight. These are desperate times, my lord. You will need all your courage in the days that lie ahead.
We'll have it down.
The smell of victory is in the air, my friend.
There is no way. Sorry, sir. Forward! Yes, we're ready there now. swordsman! Attack!
Wood needed.
Afraid? Cause has been furthered. Another false lord has fallen before me.
Eat steel! Piece of cake!
I have fallen in battle. You must now lead the fight, my lord.
The siege is lost, but the war is far from over. No!
That's how to do it. Watch and learn.
The enemy are vanquished.
You are the 8th greatest lord.
Very amusing.
Oh, no.
Sir Ilan, who better than you?
Your army is at its maximum size. Feel the power.